Yes, good morning, one and all. So last video we have seen curve fitting, right? So similarly, we will follow same example, one more example here using curve fitting. So another curve means we have seen curve fitting for only first degree. If you fit the curve fitting for the second degree, so how to fit the curve fitting for the second degree? Nothing but first degree is y equal to ax plus b. If you have a second degree, just nothing but a quadratic equation. So y equal to a plus bx plus cx square, right? Like this. So like this curve we have to going to fit in this example. Now here example is fit a parabola. Fit a parabola y equal to a plus bx plus c into x square, right? For the following data. Same example. Now again we have some data. X is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Y having data 1, 1.8, 1.3, 2.5 and 6.3. Like this. Right? This is the given data. Now using this data we are going to fit the curve fitting a second degree, nothing but a parabola equation. This we have. So y equal to a plus bx plus c into x square. Right? Now here, so first degree, if you have first degree, there we have some normal equation is different. If you have second degree, there also we have some normal equations is different. See here. Now the solution procedure is the normal equations associated with y equal to, here we have a parabola equation, y equal to a plus bx plus c into x square are as follows. Here we have a normal equations, sum of y equal to n into a plus b sum of x plus c into sum of x square, because we have second degree. Now sum of x into y equal to a into sum of x plus b into sum of x square plus c into sum of x cube. Then third degree equation, sum of x square into y plus a into sum of x square plus b into sum of x cube plus c into sum of x raised to 4. Right? In case if you have only first degree, in this equation we don't have coefficient regularly. These, right? These coefficients. Your equations regular. In first degree. If is second degree, so one more degree it is added. Similarly, and similarly one more equation. Right? If you only single degree, we have two equations. If you have a 2 degree, you have a 3 equation. Normal equations having 3 equations. Right? This is the difference. Now, the number of data is, we have 5. So I am taking n is 5. Total number of data is 5. So n is 5. Now, find the values of sum of x, right? Sum of y, then sum of x into y, then sum of x square here, then sum of x square into y, here x square into y, sum of x cube and sum of x raised to 4. We need these values. We need these values. Now from using given data, given table, now going to find these all values. These all values. Now here I am going to present here. The table is as follows, because we need these values. So yellow values they color. So I am going to use this table. Right? Now you have an x variable, then y values. X data have, then y data we have. Now if you need sum of x, add these all. Same procedure, previous example. So 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So value is 10. Sum of x is 10. Right? Similarly, sum of y, 1 plus 1.8 plus 1.3 plus 2.5 plus 6.3, and sum of y is 12.9. So 12.9. Then x into y. So x have then y have. So 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 1.8 is 1.8. Similarly, right, like this. Multiply all these values, x into 1. Now sum of these is 0 plus 1.8 plus, right, like this. If we add these values, we have a sum of x into y is 37.1. Then x square, you have x, the square not real values. So anyway 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 60. Right? Anyway this is 0 square 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 60. Like this. Right? That's x square. Then x square. The value of this. Right? Then sum of these 0 plus 1, 1 plus 4, 4 that's 5 plus 9. Right? Then 14 plus 16, 30. Sum of x square is 30. Then x square into y. X square बताइए. Then multiply with y. 0 into 1. This. Right? 1.1 into 1.8. 4 into 1.3. 9 into 2.5. Like this. After that, again add these values. You get a sum of x square into y is 130.3. Next, x cube. We need x cube. So cube root of this, nothing but 0 cube equal to, sorry, here 0 cube equal to, then 1 cube equal to 1, 2 cube equal to 8, then 3 cube equal to 27, then 4 cube is 64. After adding these values, that is 100. Sum of x cube is 100. Similarly 4, 0 to 4, 0 to the power 4, 1 to the power 4, 2 raised to 4, 3 raised to 4, then 4 raised to 4, 256. Then after adding these values, sum of x raised to 4 is 354. Right? Once you get all these values, sum of x, sum of y, sum of x into y, sum of x square, sum of x cube, sum of x raised to 4, sum of x square into y. After getting these values, now substituting all these values in the normal equations. ಯಾವ normal equation? You will learn more values, more equation expression. These three expressions are the normal equations. ಈ equation ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಂತಂದ್ರೆ then substituting in the normal equations, now you get the 5 into a plus 10 into b plus 30 into c equal to 12.9. Similarly, 10a like this. After substituting, you get these three equations. Fine. After getting these three equations, again same procedure on solving simultaneously these three equations. Right? On simultaneously or solve using calculator. Same. Again 2 equations there, 2 select ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Then equation 3 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Equation 1 ತಗೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ equations the coefficient is 3. So 3 coefficient enter ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Then you get the value a, b and c. A is 1.42, b is minus 1.07, c is 0.55. Right? Thus parabola of a fit is, curve fit is, so y equal to, let's the equation, what the equation? In this equation, I am going to substitute a, b and c. So a is 1.42 minus 1.07 x plus 0.55 x square, which is the required solution of a parabola equation of the given data. Follow? Then similarly, I am giving one more example. Fit a second degree parabola to the following data. Nothing but here second degree nothing but same curve y equal to a plus b into x plus c into x square. Again take same curve. Using this data, find a, b and c value. Then substitute here, you get the required solution. Follow solution same procedure from the previous example.